Hey, hi! I'm changing the nose pad for the spectacles. Do you know that the nose pad in our spectacles can be changed? Sometimes when you look at your spectacles, the nose pad is yellowish or greenish. This is very common due to moisture. So do not wear the dirty or the greenish nose pad. You can always drop by to our store and we can replace it for you. Now, in fact, sometimes when you wear glasses, there's marking on your nose, right? It's because the nose pad is the hard ones. We also have the soft silicone nose pad over here. So if you are wearing glasses and you want something more comfortable for you to wear, drop by to our store and we can change it to the soft silicone nose pad for you. Now, one tip how you can keep your nose pad clean. Whenever you perspire or whenever the glasses is wet, make sure you keep it dry. This will help your nose pad to look clean and fresh longer. If you need to know more tips on how to take care of your glasses, let us know and we will be happy to share.